Hello everyone. So today we will do the Making It Fun activity in Scratch 3.0. So in this activity we will do something new. So let's get started. So according to our first step, what we have to do? We have to do the changing costume. So, for it, did you know the sprites have different costumes? When you heard the word costumes, you probably just thinking about different outfit. But in Scratch, a costume can also mean the different body position. Okay, so we have to make different body position from our code menu. Check out this bear. It has costume that shows her on all fours and it has another costume when it rises onto her hind legs. The bear can switch between these costumes option in our script. Okay, so let's get started with this. So first we will go on our page. So this is our page over here. We will delete the first sprite and now we will take a bear over here. So you can see a bear. Okay. So now we will go on costumes. So this is our beer number 1 and this is our beer number 2. You can make changes over here. For example, like you can take this mouth like this, the hands like this. Okay. So this is how you can make the changes. Okay. Beer number A and this is our beer number 2 over here. Now let's see the another step what we have to do the next. Okay. To return to the beer script editor, click the code block next to the costume. Switch costume to the block program beer to start on all four. Wait 1 second. Okay, so now we have to give it codes. So first we will go on the code block and then we will give it when green flag clicked. Okay, so we will go in events and we will take here when green flag clicked. We will take the next option, switch costume to beer A. Go on looks and here switch costume to beer A. Now we will take wait 1 second. Go on control and take wait 1 second. Again we will go on look and we will take switch costume to beer B. Let's see another step. What we have to do the next. Return to the costume tab and make changes. Use BRB costume to select right arm rotate and make her wave. Okay, so here we can change and make it wave as we have done. Use drawing tools or add, erase, part and change of colors beer picture. Costume tab. Click blue cat icon to access various options. Okay, so now let's get started with this. What we have to do next is we will change the wave. Okay, so now I will show you that what are the results of changing the costume. Okay, so take the full screen over here. Now when you will click on the green flag, you can see our beer changes the position. Okay, so now let's see the other step over here. What we have to do next is choosing a backdrop. Backdrop means our background. So background are like stage costume changes. Choose from the castle, soccer field or outer space backgrounds by clicking the backdrop icon below stage on bottom right of the screen. Okay, so from when we will get our background, in the right side of your screen you can see the down option is choose a backdrop. And now what we have to do next, this will pull up to the backdrop library which is loaded with lots of options. Check out all the places your sprite can visit. Okay, for backdrop you can draw or upload pictures, changes with them, switch backdrop block like switching costumes for sprites. Show colorful city background for 5 seconds and switch concert background and instructed in the code. Okay, so we will do the coding of switching background over here. So we will remove these three codes and now we will delete this sprite over here. So here we will choose a backdrop For example, I will take the first backdrop of arithmetic. Okay. So now, as I have taken this, we will go on backdrop over here. Now let's choose our first backdrop will be a beach. Okay. So as we got the first backdrop and the second backdrop. Okay. So now let's go on coding. When we will go on coding, first of all, our first step that we have to take when clicked. Okay, we will go on events and we will take here when click. Second option, switch backdrop to colorful city. We will go on looks and we will take switch backdrop to. As we have not taken colorful city, we will take Ariatic. And now we will take wait for 1 second, or we can take 5 seconds. So let's take 5 seconds. Here we will write 5 seconds. And the next thing we will take switch backdrop to beach. Okay, so we have done this. Now let's see our results. When we will click on the green flag, you can see after 5 seconds our backdrop will change. So you can see the results. Our backdrop has been changed over here. Okay, so now let's see what the next we have to do over here. Sound effects. Be your own director in coding with limitless sounds options. So here we can take this sound. So let's get started with sound over here. So what we have to do, we have to choose a sound. Okay, so now let's do this first. As we will go, you can see in the left side of your screen, there are the option of code, backdrop, costume, sound. As we will go on sound, over here we can choose any of the sounds. There are multiple options of choosing the sound. Okay, so what the next we will do over here. So we will choose the sound and we can adjust our sound as per we want. Okay, so let's do this. So first sound I will take alert. So this I have taken. Now you can edit your sound over here. Like for the first, I will drag this and I want this faster or I want slower. Okay. So I have taken first this and the first one is pop. Okay. So let's do this. What we will do the next over here is we will go on code. We will remove these three codes and now let's do. We will take the play sound alert, start sound alert. Okay. And now we will take wait 1 second in control block. Again we will go on sound and we will take start sound and we will change here pop. Now let's see the results. What happened the next. As you can listen, the first sound will be alert and the second sound will be pop. Okay. So let's see. So this was when choosing a sound notice record option to record your own voice sound. New recording will be appear in sound tab alongside library sound to access libraries for spreads, costume backdrop or sound click icons like cat backdrop at the bottom of the screen. Okay, even you can record your sound over here. So we can record it. So this was the today's video of our activity which was making it fun. Thank you.